Hello everyone. Uh, I got a headset from Daraz. I purchased it on 11/11 sale 2019. So here's the date 2011 to the 2019. It is received on this day 6th December 2019. It took around 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, around 25 days to reach here. I think it was shipped from China. It cost me 17.98 around, and it's Pigeon P9 wireless headphones over ear. It looks nice from the outer part. Let me unbox it. Innovation is deeply flowing in our blood. Okay. So here's my new headset. The packaging is quite nice. It is shock proof, I guess. So over the head headset, this is okay. So is a branding on the both sides. It's Pigeon. Okay, let me unfold it. So maybe this is the right side, and here on the right side is a power button and two volume rockers. 3.5 mm headset connector and a USB micro USB charging port. Let me see all over the. Okay, so here's a TF card, memory card slot also. So you can turn it like this. Here's a memory card slot. Okay, now let me power it on. Here's a power button. I think we need to hold it for a while. Okay, so it looks very nice. I think this is quite a promising headphone. Like what I saw on the advertisement, it is exactly the same, so it's very nice. So the foam is very nice. Okay. So let's see what else on the box. I'll put it aside. Okay, so here are some booklets, user manuals, product certification, here's a QR code on the box itself, so I think it's for some app or maybe verification QR that'll work for the headphone to find it whether it's a genuine one or the copy maybe. So here's the AUX cable, 3.5 mm on the both ends, and the micro USB charger cable with the USB on the other end. So this is it. Looks nice. So this is it. Now the color changes itself. It keeps on changing maybe. So it turns blue and green, blue, red. Okay. I think here's a play pause button on the play pause and the next touch sensor on the right side. Okay, it doesn't have any effect right now, but it works. It may work while playing songs. I'll review it on the second video. And thank you everyone for watching.